Dear friends, if you have been struggling with bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort, this video could have the answers you are looking for. Let's get started. What is SIBO? SIBO stands for Small Intestinal Bacterial Overgrowth. Normally, most of the bacteria in your digestive tract live in the large intestine. But in SIBO, too many bacteria grow in the small intestine even though they are not supposed to be there in such large numbers. This overgrowth interferes with digestion and nutrient absorption and causes a range of uncomfortable symptoms. SIBO causes. Common causes of SIBO include low stomach acid, slow gut motility, structural issues like adhesions or surgery scars, chronic diseases like diabetes or IBS, long-term use of antibiotics or proton pump inhibitors. Besides, anything that disrupts normal digestion can trigger SIBO. SIBO symptoms. The most common symptoms of SIBO are as follows: bloating, especially after meals, excess gas, abdominal pain or cramping, loss of appetite, nausea, diarrhea or constipation, feeling full quickly, nutrient deficiencies, especially vitamin B12, unexplained weight loss. If these symptoms sound familiar, SIBO might be worth investigating. SIBO diagnosis. Many people diagnosed with irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) may actually have undiagnosed SIBO. Studies suggest up to 80% of IBS patients test positive for SIBO. Diagnosing SIBO usually involves a breath test. This measures hydrogen or methane gas levels produced by the bacteria in your small intestine after you drink a sugar solution. Besides, to diagnose SIBO, your doctor may recommend stool tests, small bowel aspirate and culture, but usually breath tests are the first step. SIBO treatment. The main treatment options of SIBO include antibiotics, rifaximin or neomycin. These antibiotics target bacterial overgrowth. Even after antibiotics or herbal treatments, up to 45% of patients relapse within a year if the root cause is not addressed. Diet changes. The low FODMAP or elemental diet can reduce bacterial fuel. Prokinetics. These helps the food to move through the gut faster. Address underlying causes like treating IBS or improving gut motility. Probiotics. These may help, but results vary. Always consult with your doctor before starting them. Not all probiotics are helpful for SIBO. Some may even worsen symptoms by adding more bacteria to an already overloaded small intestine. SIBO prevention. To prevent SIBO from coming back, eat a balanced, low sugar diet. Avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Manage stress. Treat chronic conditions like IBS or hypothyroidism. Keep your gut moving. Physical activity and hydration may help. This was all about SIBO. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe.